So it's almost end of the November, so we checked this hive. They have enough storage, resources, and about the population we checked, are they good in population. Last 2 weeks there was honey flow going on, like autumn honey flow, so I put this super on it, because the bottom brood was honey, like full of honey. There was no place for queen to lay, so I added this super on. What will happen the moment I added, the rain started, and every day there was rainy, and it was not good. And I think this, yeah, as I can see, this super is empty. There's nothing going on much in here. So yeah, there's nothing going on. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this super. Because we don't need it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly check the resources, and I'm gonna check if the queen have space. If not, I'm gonna remove some frame of honey and I'm gonna give her space. These frames are like totally glued. This is empty frame. So this is full of nectar. As you can see, this is nectar and brood. It's beautifully. Look at this. Honey on the top, brood in the middle. These are all capped honey, and I can see there's uncapped honey. It's beautiful. Look at this frame. So we check more. I hope we can see more of these beautiful frames. So this frame is also beautifully brood with the, you can see lots of young broods, and there is a beautiful honey on the top, capped honey. It's capped honey too. I can see beautiful brood in the middle of this side too. It's beautiful. Today is a little bit chilly. It's like 13 centigrade, so I have to be very quick. I don't want the brood to be chill. So this is a nectar, but they're not capped yet. This side is also nectar. So they're doing good so far. They're a little bit defensive because of the weather, and also the winter is close, so they won't defend the hive. This is also frame of nectar. Actually, this frame I put it last week, and they already draw this almost 70%, 80% was already drawn, and they fill it up with nectar. The ivy was blooming, so also the nectar flow was going on from ivy and goldenrod and other things. This is a beautiful frame again with pollen, and you can see honey capped and capped brood. Here also the same capped honey, the brood beautifully. They are a little bit defensive. This frame is nectar and pollen mixed up, everything with a good population. So they're filling up. You can see a lots of eggs, so she's still laying. She's very good, and they don't like it. So the queen is also here. The red dot, she's just down here. So she is beautiful. She laid a lot of eggs now in this frame, and you can see nectar around the bottom. There's lots of eggs and brood. I think they don't like my trouser because I'm wearing black trouser. They don't like black color. They're attacking the black color, so she's very like, you should never wear black. And, otherwise they will attack you. Look at this beautiful brood. Actually all these frames are the same. Brood and nectar, honey, pollen. Beautifully this side. Actually it's very good. The other two frames is full of nectar. I have to put back the frames. I'm happy. I have everything. I have all resources. I have to remove this super because we don't need the super anymore. I have already. Queen have some space, some places, and that's it. You have to put it back. Thanks for watching.